ngidan ban ngich ka tense ne ke tenses ala dobrine tenses meteke s gwasame jen shwal ka ke riet ka tengwan tense tele esten tense tense shwale riet no ban ngi ken weringli tenses ke ban ngi ken wer dobrine dobrine shwale sentence no make sentences along one ka ba chole do rieni ba do brida tense check ke de control no sentence man baran to gwa ba right ke michal ke present tense roje ke tema read tin right ke tema read tin right nas ke and tema ala ke jan gwa tema jan chwal present tense bana writing go ke ka kon ke de ko dan ngi ke kwidien ko jan do brana bana ka ngai ke je channel dan ngi gwaza me michu gujije anwo tense rien right ke tema ke amato kan tema to kon ga chene I walk to school and chow jal dul gore she eats breakfast jen misa ka kwanron wang they play football chika ngar ke kure shukni he reads every day jala kwene ni chang jen la kwene ni chang gwasame one thing mugore be careful all the can mugore no deri tid along gwadman she eats me take s nishang elajin let me show you here take a double tit take a singular ka plural okay chirka pnal gwadame I walk to school na me walk jen a verb right tele s mitten dong der anti ko no tele aso ko gwadame she eats te verb me take s so bejin was one example ko bukule shu bloid take read la good ks it chanamin cabine e she okay hold on e she ke it titi shall ke is singular pronouns okay can singular pronouns memat ke chaka mat ke verb check men amada ke verb chirmurai kona tama kama chal ke present tense take it lalat ke quidient to remember gwada dan and titin titi la kamat ke michale is a kukola nang jale is so and is more like she is he is it is right de nang no but michaka mat verb chimchikon walk chikon eat sanen en gwasame enriet michanang michalel nene he work anyo de ye he work at the bank or he work in the bank okay chana min gorno no right now angum larik ten gwadme ko he ka gwasame a work baje dir mo ke asam gwasame he works I check okay ku jen a singular verb and rien mishamat kana me badil te ks but take a do mi chebe te ks keja mugora ban nyaga yekel gwadam michale nene she okay I like ko gor bane kulanga she does eat breakfast okay chana menang no. Okay. Na many right now take a mission again. Nai kon na men tama na many jetel de ko laro jetel es mi cha matin reason and cha et cha matin ke je wudi. Ojen te das teten. Ala das mi teten gwasa me lana ma la ja cha ja mo je KS but mitele das already ba ngulel ba binamene we eat beteke s mukukonen gwasa mene she eats karwada ko ngai content la chal ke verb verb ko ngune. Then the same thing goes, she does eat breakfast gwasa mene he works but mu kon gwada mela mu kon mo ke does he does works. So what will happen ba s ba jo meet s ba watch so na me be let ye be nyot duop. Okay, he, she, chalk singular pronouns. By madverb, verb nen kono gwada meteke itsen wawunya ko verb no man ka bana writing ka gwaten be. So na me right kono kiri shwale present tense. Chana banyal gwada ka gwato, just let me give you. Gwada me right kon commercial ke plural hala I. De kontug I, you, we, they, and on. So, titi bana writing ko gwazwe ko te bana write quick grammar ka. But can I'm just channel focus kesti mat. I, you, we, they la kamat ke mutual ke are ke bakamat mutual ke have man mutual ke okay do ke de kon chol no chana do me latre and on do no ka gwada ke she it la mat ke ke is ka ba nyo mat ke das chirman chana gwada me and then ni al gwada me ba ka mat mutual ke mo verb okay ko verb jene mutual wo kan gwasa men so the t a ticken care lot gwaza dan and dong leran like go rule then be rule be angach a cheganono okay one of gwada men because right in gwada but just go abroad kamatot they play football shika ngarke kure shukne he reads every day jen la kweneni chang. Right now, let me take you back again. Many language. Read, take s, right? He, again, not by writing. So, Misha s chamatin, we mean that cha das charge wood, man pay con lat guasaman. Okay, no men on guadaman. Okay. Man pay con lat guasame allowed no me, Misha let das me intelligent. Then by s. Baja watch it come we con guadam by as baja watch ka work okay la she come chalel guazme she does eat breakfast so she anen guadam cha et charge with intelligent but before that can con ben guadam to con ke eats meteke s so they con no more lelong take as a love bidagu ngaja no metele does then by verb by the del mo ks so we should no wana ka past chana to ka present past tense and mishiwa shalaro before yesterday ke mu pai ka gwatan chiwe mitlan mishalan mishiwe ba chole pass ka tongna de kon cholo no e mishi talk raje ke mishi talk mishiwe chana okay example I walk to school and shawe jal duel gora okay duel and shaw jal duel gora gwada me shawe chana shawe gwada me chana mo ke chana tara ke gwada me okay shawe chit kame to walk dia ngat walk it kenyam a verb metil ed me walk a check by ngajino na mo a present a rien mo rajan tam but cham ke ed mishal ka past participle alo rien mishiwe ke chatwo so bi chu ngajino mi cham ke ed e mi chitwo gore de so chale past tense dobrita kede control riet mishitwo ke rien mishiwa I walk to school and shower dwell gora she eats breakfast. She ate breakfast. Adi nan bogwas menyok. Ate past participle kide kon chole past bo. Okay, jan chole past tense. Past tense. So she eats breakfast. Jen shemit ka kwanron wang. Na me badi la pass. Okay? Katok na. Katok English. Ka kon bu kon chole no jen riet mishiwa rien mishiwa nyu the jen ba chole pass rien mishido talk jen shemit ka kwan ronwang shemit me karwade shemit karwade jen angu rien mishiwa ka tongna chere ke shawa and shawa jal shawa we mean that shawa already shemit bono no the general chin lot of more talk chemis ka kwanron wa shall past tense one they played football chicken ngar ke kure shugne gwaseme ngar ke de kon jik played me pass jenen mona take ed. Okay, take ed de kon ngaje no ngu pass the same thing gwasme ed ka walked pass ana nyogu mo kon wo it gwasme past tense of it janme lat gwadam na me present na me bokule la pass so jan tada no lo chiriati urin ger mi shi tense ne chika ngach don chi present tense ngachi past tense ngachi when come to ken bok tanyam tono gwasame he read yesterday jen she queen pan read more kind of again but pass bon muchalele she queen already a pass right so bi katum wade kon lar non she queen pan mpai ko right no gwasame chale past tense qui michi talk right ke michi talk qui riet che wodo kon cholo no riet mi chiwa alo qui rien michi talk ka ta dan de kon ngai ke je me rien michi talk no won bana cholde bana chi cholo no past tense gwaz me to kon ke future tense ka kon itinas gwal me cha chole tomorrow ki later future tense murach kamungot niam ba chole future tense ka kon like muraji kamungot niam kan network ngajo shwale future tense ka tok English ka tong na ba chole murach kamungot niam riet mungoniam riet mi ngot niam chana jemin cholo non riet mungoniam which means that ngoda kana network kula raya na ga kwide example gwadon banakan I will walk to school and bawe duel gora gwado meka to kawai ni men nyo da no jene future tense to will taken will chamat ke walk man an charo kwide no jene mishal kede mishal ke verb okay I will walk to school dul gora and bo dul gorga kian bo jalul gor chane gorgo ba and ba jal dul gor ba de kon cholde and bawe dul gor I will walk to school ba makarada bawe me bawa na me a future like mungun yam kokon bawa me cholaran de bawa I will go. Okay, but ngoda ku large kan network ngwatamo. I will walk to school and bawa dul gohara. Kwazame she will eat breakfast. She will eat breakfast. She will manage a chanalat a future tense. And what in enteno bajamat can a verb go na verb a verb eat. She will eat breakfast. Jen bemidame. Jen bemid ka kwan ron wang. Ngoda kene myth but bakulo myth. Jen bemid ka kwan ron wang. She will eat breakfast. Jen bemis ka kwan ron wang. She will eat breakfast. They will play football. They will play football. Ken bika ngarke kure shukni. Will play. Future tense. Bika ngar munguda nyam. Bika ngar. Ken bika ngar ke kure shukni. They will play football. He will read tonight. He will read tonight. Jen bequin and were. Bequin. Jen bequin and were. De kon jegono engu a future. He will read tonight. He will read tonight. Jen bequin and were. So to chikon ti chana right ka present tense ka past tense ka future tense. Gwas me take to bukon ganen to dongde randa ro palpin eno ka kwendian ko bekani ngech tiga ta dan dongde randa do da kwen kaja titi den kon gati to kon ke quick verb set to kon ka present ka past ka future ka jen table nen konome na me chale table. Okay, bana chu gujamat manyam verb dadi na me a present na me a past na me a future bugorin kula gar ko ngala gar karodian gwada dana dong roiran shirmen chana jegnuwen go e wir go wir go wir a verb na mene. Okay, me gar ka je ka present jen go ban go wir and go mishala wira ka tongnat mo na ka pass mishiwa manyam gwada meriet present and etem right corner la now present and tema ka go la brodo ger gwada bi gon ngaiten boda ger ka mishal ke wen en mishal ka mede mishal ka me go ka present micha we ka pass ke mishiwa be go be jen ba we ka mishal wen ka tongnat ba chole shawa when shawa ka future tense gwadame mungot niam be point there when gwadame ba mo ke will balele will go bawa ke bawa de lar bawa ke de lar no bawa. It's up to you. Bawa me he will go bawa I will go ta dan di nang ja ka tok English mu go je. So na me amanyam enemy will ten ka chal mat verb and verb mo ka chato ke will go bi ngaje no na mo michale mongod niam ke future tense am the dia me bala michol kono me come eber come chale ber verb micha ben ka present gwada me ko rai kono qui present gwada me come sharo da gere ka present again present ba cholo bir ka tongnat yo biri yo ki come me mi chawe ka past tense bro da gere ba cholo came cheben already cheben mi chip talk cheben na me ka future tense shall will come baben ki baben ngudniam a future eat gwasame a myth ka present tense shall eat shall myth a present mi chawde ger ba chole hate eat gwa ki hit chemit chemit already la ramo chemit me future tense ba surely will eat kie bemith kie bemith ngoda karan kenimith the future but ba surely will eat kie bemith kie bemith Meridian gwazame balam shalke me si chere ke nene si nene si ka present tense shale nene michna we ka past kirian mishiwa ba shole so shenen ki de larde shenen I saw it shenen it saw it ki she saw it ki he saw it ajalo mo gwazame ka past God make a future bana nan commercially will see okay will see ki banen ki binen they learn binen ki banen then from there we been God man right me gore commercial come present by je chole gore jene kelo katuk English ka past tense barod again baje chole rot and Michelle kame right but we are rot shagor ke shagor no chirana gor already in a minute and then ba chole node mubukon gwatme will write bagor ke bagor will write so name banwe karan ka pass ba chola ran ngoche I mean ka person ran ka pass ba chola ran she ngoch me future ba chola we ran be ngoch no to kon do inshallah take kanie ka pass ba chola tok ke shakan will take gwatmene de kon jigano will take lodo ni bakan ke bakan na mane future tense gwal mi dongi ano dong dara tin kon to dara kan like katara andere let kije right now chani mi ke tense ni te dong dara ro de teach karwa no mugoro jeno bato kawai ni baja ngache amu de remember bi ngaje no bi verb ni baga ngache ka bi person no raje ka tama ke raje ka michi wo ke raje ka mu ngonyam kende ti bi gadin ngache ko bi kan kula lo gwada dana raje ten chani mi jen wala ke tense ni mini gorno bi channel bi support ku subscribe ko bi more information katin konde ana ngai ka to ko ni kana to English bi ka je gwada ma ene bana je kalisan rodien ti pero jono jin bi nyone ko ken bi ataman